Once I'm a federal prosecutor, I think I'll probably reflect on the lessons I learned from Professor Siegler and the Federal Criminal Justice Clinic on a daily basis. And I think that's pretty unique. It's unique because I think you'll often reflect on law school in general, but I know I will reflect on the lessons I learned from Professor Siegler on a daily basis. I mean, just from the practical stage of stepping into court, Professor Siegler took the time to mood us and take us step by step through litigation and through oral arguments and tell us, okay, these are the things that I've seen that have worked, and these are the things that I've seen that don't work. And those are the kinds of things that I'll be doing every day if I, am blessed with the opportunity to be a federal prosecutor. I've learned from a mentor of mine that every prosecutor in every case should step back and ask, what don't I know? And coming into 3L year as an aspiring prosecutor, asking myself, what don't I know, is the federal defender and the criminal defendant's perspective. I had no idea. I thought I did, and I definitely did not. And going through the clinic put me in those shoes directly, whether it was meeting in jail and having a conversation with a defendant who looked at me and wanted me to just know that he was not defined by the criminal acts he had committed. That was pretty moving for that to be the first thing he wanted to talk about with me. And then all the way to standing up in court and being in the advocate's shoes and standing before, the chief of the Northern District of Illinois and arguing on behalf of that same defendant who was sitting behind us. I don't think I've seen Professor Siegler once not thinking what will benefit her clients. And I think that's something that I want to carry forward, whether it's in a position as a federal prosecutor or any advocacy position that I end up taking. And the Federal Criminal Justice Clinic in particular has just given me the viewpoint of federal defendants and federal defenders that I think is invaluable for every federal prosecutor to appreciate before wielding the power of the government.